Hi guys! Thank you for joining us this edition of Color and Beauty. My name is Tenaj. And today is a little different. You see, we got a little bit of a different setup. We're super excited. We are doing a collaboration with Spooky-ish with Kay. We'll put her channel in the link in the description below. And she's really awesome. We'll put some pictures of her work. This is the perfect person to collab for Halloween stuff.
Yeah, it's definitely her niche. This month is definitely a celebration of her channel, so definitely go check it out. But yeah, let's go ahead and let everyone know what we're doing today.
So
a little different.
I am painting the mottled Astrid into a mermaid. It's very gonna be glam, but as realistically glam as I can get it. I'm not on the spooky case level when it comes to making it spooky. All right, so we're gonna get right into it.
Okay, awesome.
So I'm actually using, if you guys don't judge me.
Oh, we're found.
Don't judge me. This is my actual. This is one of my actual palettes for when I paint. So I'm going to use this to start with the base. I'm going to make her blue, like the skin actual blue. And thank goodness it's this time of year because you can find stuff like this really easy.
I was gonna say this.
Yes, I don't know how other artists do it throughout the year when they do character work like that, but this is Spirits. You know, like the Halloween spirit
Those
place.
pop-up shop places.
Yeah, so this is their blue makeup. This is some white makeup. Okay. And I'm going to also be using the mixing liquid right here, Maron's mixing liquid, to kind of create a foundation that's blue.
Awesome. I love feeling blue. Now I'm gonna lick blue.
So I'm going to take this and put it directly on her face. You are moisturized and primed and all that stuff.
Yeah, I'm cleansed and moisturized.
Okay. And I'm going to take this makeup brush that we are willing to sacrifice for blending.
It's all for the cause.
Yeah.
It'll forever be known as the Halloween.
Yeah, the Halloween makeup brush. My goal is to make this her skin as much as possible, so I'm going to be using Milani setting spray for the brush to kind of prep the brush.
I love that spray. I'm genuinely excited to see you paint me. There's something you don't hear your friends say.
I know, right? I'm going to put this setting spray on you to set the blue in. This is part one. Now I'm going to kind of do contour. So I'm using the blue paint as it is, just without muting it at all. And hopefully I can get like some shapes going. So what I'm going to do now is spray her down one more time. I use some translucent powder to kind of set all of that. And then I'm going to make it last one more time.
Okay.
Then we're going to work on the face, do the makeup part of the portion. And I had made this mixture by cutting off the multi-stick and mixing it with the mixing liquid to kind of make this paste right here.
Okay.
Look at that, folks.
Hey, look at me. Oh, that's not the one I can lift. I can lift this one.
My brows aren't bad. I'm going to use liquid eyeshadow as the base and kind of build on powders on top of that. Okay. I feel like that's the best way to get a base down because the primer's not going to do any good in this situation. So, for the base of the liquid eyeshadow, which basically looks like a nude in this case because she's blue, this is the Fantasy Makers liquid eyeshadow in Water Station. So what I'm going to do now is to make sure that there's at least makeup or something underneath their eyes. I'm going to use this Pearl Base Multi-Stick, also from Wet n Wild. feel good about that. It doesn't look like what you guys think it should look like yet, but it will. It will. Okay, so you guys, for the main eyeshadow looks, I'm going to be using a combination of ABH Nervina Volume 2 and the Fenty Beauty palette. And this is what's going to give me kind of like the rest of the look. I'm going to be building off of shadows. Okay. I'm going in with the intent of this is actually what her skin looks like. We're going to enhance it. We're doing a new look, but with blues. My plan is to, I'm going to finish the eyes. Yeah, we'll get back into kind of sculpting the rest of the face. Okay. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you see I kind of jumped ahead here, and I got a lot of the under eye area, kind of treated like contour-ish a little bit. What I used was this multi-stick right here, this pearl essence. So that's where she's getting that that reflectiveness going. I pretty much just finished out the eye look. This is the base of it. I'm actually going to go back and do some like liner work on it, but that's pretty much the eyeshadow look. And then I'm going to start using the Ultra Multi Sticks because I'm figuring out this is a really good base to put the shadow on top of. So if you guys are following at home, use these as a good base and put the shadows on top, and it mix really well. So what I'm going to do is kind of do contouring, but with the multi-stick. And so she has some very, very deep cheekbones. That's what we want, very harsh line for cheekbones. We're going to carry this glue that I have right here kind of to the top and through where I've also put this pearl as highlight. Hey guys, so you can see my attempts are not coming out as beautiful as the face. So I'm going to use some liquid eyeshadow and basically draw. And hopefully this turns out as good as I hope it does. I'm transformed. So guys, now I think I'm going to concentrate more of it looking like a makeup look on her face. I feel like I got like, this is the foundation to me. I know it seems like it's pretty much done for most people, but this is like the foundation part. So I'm going to go into the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil and do some contouring / highlighting with this palette. This is what I was hoping things would look like much earlier, but not so much. I really want to use like a rose gold undertone to go with the light blue underneath because that's how I want it to look like she's wearing makeup. So we're gonna start with a heartburn, right? And what I noticed is when you put the gold on top of the silver, that's where rose gold comes in. Okay, so now we're going to exaggerate your line features here. Let's use some of this. This is Stone Cold. Oh, you see what that did? Oh man, okay. So there's like 16 dimensions of highlights and blues. Yes, it looks really cool. So now I'm going to use this. almost like a painting brush, and to kind of make this more dimensional here, highlight different parts. I'm going to use here chills with a Z. So sometimes guys, you get happy accidents. So this is going to make this look more seamless, blending in chills with the black and the dark blue that I had up here. I'm going to go in with Sub-Zero, which is on camera looks just white. And I'm going to use this as more of a crystally highlight on her décolletage. That's what this is called, ladies and gentlemen. Décolletage. That looks really good. So now you have dimension of your scales.
My scales have dimensions like my personality.
Okay. All right, guys. Cool graphic liner stuff.
Oh my gosh, I can say I was one of your favorites.
I picked this up, you guys. What was that? Five Below, which is like my unofficial favorite store. So I'm gonna go into the Fenty palette again to put some scales on. This is a sticker that came from Wet n Wild. I'm a little disappointed because it's an actual sticker. I thought it was a stencil. I'm gonna be using Stone Cold, which is that center shade, and I'll probably go back in with some detailing so you can see it if this doesn't come out as detailed as I think it should.
Hey! We got some
Yay.
scales.
Yes.
Nice. I like it.
We had to wait for it to focus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got me some scales.
So last piece, that's the eyelashes. And I didn't want it to be as cheesy as it could be. So we have these lashes. They're pretty dramatic. They're also from Wet n Wild. And we're going to put on the lashes and we'll give you some glam shots. 1, 2, 3. You guys,
Do you like?
I'm super, super proud. You were awesome.
You're awesome.
Oh,
you did great.
Just to kind of go over in detail what I did, I used liquid makeup to kind of do the highlighting here with the gold. I used a little sticker thing to get the scaling under the deep contour. And I used also liquid gold for some graphic liner to go over the eyeshadow look I already did. And
let's not forget my caterpillar
yeah.
eyelashes.
Yes, those eyelashes are something special. But I feel like had I gone any less, it wouldn't be enough not to pull this off. So
I feel like I can go into the ocean now. I can go and be one with the ocean. This is killer looks. All right, you guys. So we do hope you enjoyed today's special Halloween episode. If you did, just make sure you give it a thumbs up like always. And if you are new, we do encourage you to subscribe to our channel and join the Color and Beauty family. Also hit that notification bell for all future videos that Tenaj and I will be releasing soon.
yes, and also go to our Instagram. It's Color and Beauty, ITSCOLOUR, because we are indeed really like that. And we want to thank Spooky-ish with K.
Spooky-ish with K.
I'm sure that her look is just as awesome.
Sure.
We can't wait until we get to work with her again. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I put a spell on you. I was like, oh no, cover your ears, everyone.
Bette Midler.
She killed that role.
Yeah.
I wanted to be her so bad. Like, I believed the role she played. I had nightmares about her. I'm feeling really blue lately, so I might have some under eye circles.
Junction with the pearl stick. I think I'm going to start using. Am I boring you?